Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to convert your Word file into Google Doc. So for that, first of all, we need to go to our Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. Simply, I need to press new icon and simply I need to upload my document. So I'm going to upload this Word document here. So it needs some time. Yeah, here you can see I just simply need to refresh it and my document is completed. So now I need to press on these three icons and here you can see open with. And by clicking on the open with, I got this options open with Google Doc. So it opened my file in the Google Doc format. So for that, now I need to click on the files and from here save as a Google Doc. Click on this and I don't need any words for it. Simply click on the Google Doc and here you can see now it saves our file into the Google Doc format and here you can see you can download this from here you want and now our file is converted into the Google Docs. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.